At the time of shooting this video, I'm turning 43 years old, and if I could go back and give that 22-year-old hard-charging whippersnapper fresh out of the Marine Corps some advice, here's what I would say. Number one, if you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into somebody else's, and guess what they might have planned for you? Not much. 2, write handwritten thank you cards. This might seem small, but it actually separates you from like 99% of other people. 3, get comfortable being uncomfortable. True growth only happens when we get out of our comfort zone. Number 4, our income is directly related to the value that we provide the marketplace. Either magnify our skills or modify our dreams. 5, try to go to sleep a little wiser than you were the day before. Never stop learning. 6, learn how to be a giver. My father-in-law reminded me that he had never met a giver who wasn't blessed. 7, success is something that you attract by the person that you become. 8, this one is big. Choice of spouse. One of the biggest indicators of success after service isn't necessarily your career choice, right? It's your choice of spouse. Number 9, learn how to sell. Everything in life, business, opportunity, relationships, depends on how well you can communicate. So number 10, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. All right, number 11, buy homes. Use your VA loan early and often. Most people don't know that you can use multiple VA loans to build a real estate portfolio. And if you want to find out more about VA loans, I'll make a link in the description. Number 12, profits are better than wages. Wages limit your income potential. Profits reward value creation. Number 13, don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate, then wait. Compound growth is quiet until it isn't. All right, number 14, so to a child, love is spelled T-I-M-E. Develop a childlike curiosity. Ask questions, explore, and never stop wondering why. All right, so number 16, invest in assets, not appearances, okay? Your car depreciates, a home appreciates. 17, study the dictionary daily, all right? The marketplace pays big money for those that can effectively communicate. 18, listen up, fellas. You gotta date your spouse, all right? Keep things spicy, treat her like you did when you first started dating. All right, number 19, home ownership isn't the finish line, it's the foundation. Use your VA loan to build and create wealth through the acquisition of real estate. If you want to find out if you're VA loan ready, I put a 60-second quiz in the description. 20, buy and use a journal. Write down your thoughts, feelings, learn how to think on paper. Trust me, you'll be happy you did. You're the sum of the 5 people you spend the most amount of time with. So surround yourself with people who cause you to stretch your standards and level up as a result. Number 22, take up tennis. You'll meet amazing people and stay in shape at the same time. Number 23, call somebody and sing happy birthday to them, but do it in a way that will make them save that voicemail forever. All right, number 24, we must all suffer from 2 types of pain. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Discipline weighs ounces, and regret weighs tons. One thing that I want to quickly say is that these thoughts and ideas have been poured into me from various people, books, Jim Rohn, Brian Tracy. If something works for you, use it, and if it doesn't, throw it away. Thanks for watching. All right, you ready? Ay.